In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to display today's date in WordPress. As more and more users are using WordPress to create magazine-style themes, this is just one of the features that can be a great add-on to your site. Having a current date looks professional, and it is certainly useful if your articles are dated. As you can see, today's date is not displayed anywhere on my website, but I'm going to show you how to display today's date on your footer section very easily. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, under Theme Files, click on Theme Footer. Now, make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always just restore the backup. Now paste this piece of code wherever you want to display the date. Now, one thing to note, whenever you add a custom code to the parent theme, when that theme gets updated, your custom code will get removed. So it's better to use a child theme and add the custom codes to the child theme instead of the parent theme. This way you can retain the customization you make even when the theme is updated. So now click on Update File. And now back to the website. I'm just going to reload the page. And as you can see, today's date is displayed here in the footer section. This is how you can display today's date in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.